Hey guys, it's Tony. I had another request for Amazon. This isn't really going to be a full in-depth TA because I already have everything already up on the board. As some of you guys may know, I actually have like a 40K swing position on this. I bought in back here. I bought in somewhere around 30, 33, like 40-ish. So I bought in somewhere around here back in the end of August. And I am planning on holding at least until the gap gets filled at 35.77, and then possibly letting the rest ride up until around 37.75 or so. So like I said, I'm not really gonna go too in depth into Amazon, just because that's what I think is gonna happen. If anything, right now it's gonna go down and retest that 50 MA, but ultimately I think it is gonna go up and at least fill this gap at 35.74. I'm gonna leave some shares to just kind of ride it out, and then I'll let it go back to like previous all-time highs. Again, the daily is looking like it's actually gonna go on the bear side, but on the last trigger that it happened, it really only went down a little bit, so I'm not too worried. The weekly, the good thing, the only thing that I'm actually I based this trade off of was the weekly. We are actually creating a perfect buy-in entry right now, so we have a full, we actually have a perfect week. What is it called? We actually have a perfect trigger on the week for buy on the reverse MACD, and we have clear bottoms on the, what is it called, on the stochastic. So you guys already know that's how I set up my most of the time my entries, and then I also determine my forecast dependent on historical runs. So you guys can see I did a lot of historical runs just on the past, and I could, like I said, I can definitely see Amazon to minimum at least filling that gap at 35.79, and then I'm probably gonna, you know, sell 80% and then let like 20% of the shares ride to like 37.74. But Amazon is a solid company. You can buy today, you can buy 5 years from now. Amazon's not going anywhere, man. It's Amazon. It for the most part, if it's trading sideways, it's a good time to start buying in. If it's trading down, it's a good time to buy in. If it's trading up, it's a good time to buy in. I don't really like doing TA on Amazon or Apple or Microsoft or Nvidia or any of the big like FANG companies, because for like 99% of the time you're buying in at a good price because they're gonna keep going up. They either make money or they die. That's it. They either grow or they die. And and you're basically betting on thousands and thousands of people, you know, being smart enough to continuously grow the company like they have for the last like 10 plus years or so. You know, we're not smart enough to compare to that, right? So every single time I'm voting Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, general direction is up. I would never really say that Amazon or any of the big companies are going down. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.